Hello there, friend. This video is refinancing tips, stop foreclosure. My name is Andrew Ikeda. This is being presented by Money Creation Club, Ideas That Transpire. Of course, once again, this video is on refinancing tips, and I know that President Obama, in a advertisement that I saw on the internet, was encouraging homeowners to consider refinancing. And of course I totally agree with him, and I'd like to present some ideas that maybe you have thought of, but perhaps maybe you have not thought of. But I believe I have a solution for you, so I'd like to have your undivided attention for just a few minutes as I go over this. Okay, if you currently own a home and you have, let's say, lost over $50,000 in equity, and you have a loan with an interest rate at 5% or more, then I believe that you have come to the right place. Okay, here I've posted an example here on the screen of what you could possibly save. In this example, let's say that you took out a loan for $250,000 at 5.5% interest. It's a 30-year fixed in 2004, and let's say that now your property is valued at $200,000. Now, how much could you save if you can refinance at, say, 4.7%? And 4.7 is a little bit high. I have seen interest rates in the low fours. Of course, once again, that depends on your qualifications, your credit scores, how much income you make, your debt-to-income ratios, and so on and so forth. But I'm going to just be on a little bit of a conservative side, and stay at 4.7%. So once again, if your current loan is, say, $250,000, 5.5% interest, 30-year fixed, your payments would be somewhere around $1,145.83 per month. But let's try this. Let's say that you could refinance. Your house is now worth less, but you're still stuck with this huge loan paying $1,145 a month. Okay, we're going to knock off $50,000 since your house is now worth only $200,000. And at 4.7% interest on a 30-year fixed, your monthly payments are now around $783.33 per month. Okay, once again, this does not include taxes and insurance. That would be extra, but as you can see here, there's still a considerable savings. How much? Well, this is a difference of $362.50 per month. Okay, and once again, before let's not get too carried away. This does not include taxes and insurance. And now I'm sure that you can see the difference. You can see here on the screen, I've done the math for you. $362.50 per month times 360 months, that's 30 years, equals $130,500 in savings, plus the $50,000 that you just knocked off. So in this example, you would save a total of $180,500. Now, how's that, my friend? Am I doing good or what? Okay. Now, just a little bit on my background. I am a former mortgage loan officer, and I've been thinking about getting back into this business because I'm seeing a lot of potential right now to help people save hundreds and thousands of dollars. I mean, the more I think about this, the more I'm thinking, wow, I need to reach out and get this information to more people and help more people. But regardless of what I do or don't do with this business, you can still get my personal assistance at no extra cost. I'm working with a friend who works at a bank that currently has rates in the 4% range for those who qualify. Okay, and of course I have to say that because I can't promise you anything and everything. Okay, I'm just saying if you can qualify, I'm very certain I can help you save money. And I'm willing to connect you with him or this great company. Alright? Now, just a couple things you need to know is that this bank currently lends in the following states: Arizona, California, Hawaii, Idaho, Nevada, New Mexico, Oregon, and Washington. This bank also charges no extra points. So I'm not going to explain that too much in detail here, but in the old days, before the mortgage meltdown, if you went to, for example, XYZ Mortgage Company and applied for a loan, they would shop your loan with other companies, other mortgage companies. For example, Impact Mortgage Holding, First IndyMac Bank, Wells Fargo, Countrywide. They would shop your loan, your application with all these different lenders, and of course the lenders would always give the loan officers extra points for doing business with them. And so anyway, now this is just one bank, and all the loans and all the funding comes from this one bank. Okay, and so you don't have to worry about extra points being charged to your loan, or getting a higher interest rate, and being stuck with a higher interest rate and stuff like that, because we don't do that. That's one of the great things about this company that I really like also, is that everything is in-house. The underwriting's in-house, the appraisals are ordered by the underwriter in the bank. Everything is all done through the bank. There's no shopping around, no nothing, no extras, no frills, nothing. It's just cut and dried. Okay. If you do not reside in one of the states above that I mentioned above, I'll still do my best to try to help you out, find a lender, or do something. Okay. If you do live in any of the states that I mentioned above, basically the West Coast, then you and I really, really, really need to talk, because I think I'm on the verge of saving you a ton of money. Okay. That being said, if you are interested, let me help you. Okay. Let me be your loan officer, or help at first, before you shop around and do anything else. Because once again, at this point in time, it's free of charge. You're not obligated. There's no contracts assigned yet, and I'll help you with that. My email address is moneyhelpline@yahoo.com. Okay, go ahead and shoot me over an email. In the subject line, just put refinancing or refinance, so that I know it's not spam, and we'll take it from there. And if you're still interested in pursuing this great savings plan, I'll help you get this done. Whatever. And even if you're not, if you decide it's not for you, well, or if you can't qualify, no harm done. We're still friends. I'll still try to help you save and make money in different areas of your financial life. Okay, that's it for today, or for this video anyway. Thanks, and I look forward to working with you soon and helping you save and build equity.